Okay, today I will show you how to create the curvy surface like this using FreeCAD, and we will use a lot of stuffs on the curves workbench, and this is the results that we desire to get. So let's check it out how to make this happen. First of all, open the new windows on the FreeCAD, and then you just go to the sketcher, which is we want to make the base curve in the XY plane here. So use XY plane and use the B-spline always for creating a curve or a surface curve, which is so great for making a smooth and seamless of surface. And just make a few dots from this B-spline. Just drag this line to be rectangular, something like a perpendicular. I mean, perpendicular to this axis, which is y-axis, and this is x-axis. And then do the same thing with the below line here. Just do some mirror. You click this B-spline and this axis of mirror, and this is it, the curve that we want to stretch out in the three-dimensional plane. And this one is a sketch one. The second one, we want to create the curvy line here as the guideline for this curve to be a three-dimensional line. And we make not the object, create a new plane of sketcher, y z plane in here, and then extract the help line or something like reference line from this curve using the external geometry. Go back and make again using this B-spline, make some curvy and escape. And this is the curve that we desire to get, something like a mountain shape. And then go to the curve workbench. If you don't have this workbench, go to the add-on manager and you download the curve workbench here, just right here, curve. I have installed it, just close. And then from the curves workbench we use this feature, mix curve. We can mix to sketch here. Just click this and boom, we get the amazing three-dimensional line here. And now we want to use I want to make the Gordon surface here, something like the Gordon surface principle. On how to create it, we have to provide this is the bottom line, and also we have to create the upper line and also the ribs. This is all the way in the line in the direction of X, and this is the guideline, and we can make Gordon surface with those things. So first of all, we have to split this graph because this is only two line here. We split it out and we make this line split. Okay, we have split it out, and then just double click this until the yellow sign and drag it to the about 20% and click it, and then just double click again. Now this one we split it out here with the same thing, the same feature here, split curve, and then double click it, go until about 80%. Okay, oh no, 80%, and click again. Okay, so we just split the one line become three line here, 1, 2 and 3 is here is difficult to select because this is quite hidden here. We have to suspend this with space to make it clear. And now to make it simple, you just mirror this line to this line. It's okay, just mirror this using, of course we only have those the mirror feature in part. Do this, select the curve and doing the mirror here, mirroring through the XY plane as the references, and click OK. Okay, we got this split curve here. Okay, we can hide this. Okay, this is split curve, and the last one is this curve. This curve must be mirroring through the same plane, YZ plane, and we got all what we need. And don't forget to hide all what we have done, and you have to have a line that is one icon here. You use not icon, actually you have to join the curve, this one and this one, because this one is the upper line using joined curves. And you got the new entity here, which is line from this nodes to this node. And also this change it, become a join curve. So this one, which one? This one we hide it out. No, just this and this become a join curve. Look at this, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more using join curve, and we have all set now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we need to create the ribs that connect this line to this line to make the golden surface possible to create. Just select this. Don't select this point and this point because you will got the error message. Just click here, hold the control, click here, use freehand V-spline, and then next one you just click this, click this and this. Use the same B-spline freehand. The last one here and here. Using control, don't forget. Okay. Alright. Now going to the front. Look at this. We have to move it to the curvy shape, convex shape here by using the I button. I. You drag it up, become a convex shape. And the second line, click I, going up as far as you want, and the last one here, double click it, and here until it's going to green. Click the line, click the I button, and then okay. Now you are all set. Look at this. You got the bottom line, upper line, the ribs, and also the guideline here. Just click the Gordon surface and you will get very smooth, very fancy shape or curves that can be applied for your purpose. For example, making a geometry of the car casing or car body and any others application that you desire to get. Alright, thank you for today. Good morning.